I'm going to do a demonstration how to light a ARCTICBLUEFLAMME heater. The ARCTICBLUEFLAMME heater has a cooking plate where you can make tea and warm water. It has a door that you can lift out. You have no hinges, so no doors that are in the way. Okay, I take off this the lighting hole. I take out the plug and I'm going to demonstrate how to put the fire into the heater. I take a piece of toilet paper, as you can see. I tear half of it off. I roll it up like a cigarette, very simple, and then I fill it up with lamp oil. As you can see, lamp oil. Lamp oil is the best fluid because it doesn't burn too fast, but it's not as slow as diesel either. So I will now demonstrate it. I will put the oil on the toilet tissue, yes, and squirt in a little more, as you can see, like that. That's enough, about 10 milliliters. I take a lighter and I light the piece of paper. I wait till it takes fire. As you can see, there's already a good draft. And then I put the tissue in the heater and stick it in with my finger. At this point, I'm observing the flame from through the window, like that, and you can see that inside the flame is starting to come. The moment you hear the heater starting to talk to you, you place in the lighting hole, you place this stub. As you can see, the stub has an opening that is meant to increase the, not to close the hole completely as in operation modus, but to, in the starting modus, to let extra air get in. This way the opening is too big. As you can see, the flame is coming up, and as soon as you will hear the heater talk to you, like whoa whoa whoa, then you put the stub halfway in. We'll wait another minute. Here is the yellow flame. That is normal for the start. But as soon as the stub is in, you will notice there will be a blue flame. From there the name ARCTICBLUEFLAMME. As you can see, the flame is now appearing on the top of the burner which is inside. Here you see I now have to put the stub in because she is getting too much air. I let her warm up. As you can see, the blue flame is starting to arise already. And now I close the stub. As you can see, now we have a blue flame. Alright. Next step now is the regulator must be closed when starting. This is the no flame security valve. As soon as you will see now the bottom is starting to glow, the bottom of the catalyzer, and we are going to try to lock in the security no flame valve. I'm pushing it in, and I feel that it is not hot enough inside yet, although you can see there's a red glow inside. This is only the starting procedure. I mean, this is the beginning of the starting process, not the procedure. I'm going to try to put this engage now. The security valve is engaged. I feel otherwise you have a step 1, a resistance, and then full down. Now I can go full down. I feel no step, resistance step in between. Now I'm waiting until, as you can see, the red glow on the catalyzer. I have now to wait until you notice that the heat is going down. That means that the lamp oil has been consumed and that it is time for the diesel to be let into the burner, in the bottom of the burner. But you have to be very sure, I repeat, very sure that you see that the oil has been combusted completely. Look at the beautiful blue flame. This is still only the lamp oil. So we now have to wait till you see the flame reduce. You must be very, very sure. If you do not, if you're not sure, if you're opening too early, too much fuel, too much energy will flow into the heater, and the heat cannot be dissipated. I think we are at the point that she starts to finish combusting the fuel that was injected by the bottle. I purposely wait extra long to demonstrate the diminishing strength of the flame. As you can see, the blue flame is clearly diminishing, and now you see the afterglow of the catalyzer. I am now going to open the regulator, and I put it to 1 to maximum. This is a Toby regulator, which is Swiss made, which is useful in situations, installations where the continuous inclination, like on a sailboat, is not present. Okay, now we observe the flame again, and we will see that she will now, in the bottom, if you can see that, in the bottom you will see the blue flame coming back. It is important that the heater doesn't warm up too fast. So once you open the regulator, don't open it full or half, only a quarter. And when you have the feeling that the whole unit is warmed up, only then, I repeat, only then you set it to a higher position. As you can hear, the whole unit is expanding, the metal is working. Okay, and now I can set it to half, and it will continue to have a red glow, and in the background you can now see the blue flame reappearing. And now the regulator is set at half, not even, less than half, below half. Another advantage or facility that you have with the NorthBlueFlamme is that you have a second heat security valve. And the second security valve is for when the unit is overheating. So if the unit is overheating, you will it will shut off. I can demonstrate it now. I turn it off, and you can notice immediately that the flame is going down, diminishing, and no fuel is entering the burner anymore. You can clearly see the flame, the red glow disappearing, and the yellow flame is coming up again. I will turn on the security valve, open the security valve, and you can see immediately she is coming back. And now we can put the door back in position and enjoy the nice heat of a NorthBlueFlamme.